Hey guys, today I have toys. And which one should I open? I'll open the one that's not messy first. I know how to open this. At least this. Mini foods. I think they're erasers. Or are they real food? Or are they Oreos? I don't know. Oopsie, I dropped one. Those light blue. But now do they come apart? Do you have them? No. Look. I can't fit them in my hand. See? Look, and these they come apart. Let me see. I'll put them all here, see? See them? Yeah? Okay. Ooh. That's cool, I can put them together. First I'll fix this one. This will go back to part, will it? Because they're breakable erasers, I think. Yes. This one looks like a hamburger since it's blonde. Maybe yellow. That blue looks so cool. Put them back. Diamond. No. I'm just gonna put them in here. Now I'm gonna open this one so it doesn't get sticky out of this. So put on my lunch. See, it's my lunch spinning. I'll get some scissors. There you go, I got some scissors. Yes, I did it.
Do you need any help, honey? Okay.
Yes, Mom. So it has a container. There we go. The peel this. So sticky. Ugh. I want to do the purple. So sticky stuff. I'm just going to get into my short sleeve. That means. Ew. Oh no. That's so disgusting. That's so disgusting. It's so sticky. Ew. That's so sticky, but I don't want to mix him. I'm a fan of Flyman Cat, the Nan Unicorn. If you saw my unicorn video, give it a 6 subscribe. Glue. It's like ew, it's so sticky. I'm gonna go show my mummy how sticky it is. So I'll just pause it. I showed Mum. That's so cool. Stick. So yuck. So put it back in. Now I'll get orange, of course. That's my favorite color. Orange is my favorite color, and green. Oh, the orange is just so sticky. Ew. So, sticky. But I started with purple because I thought it was a cool color. It's the same color as that one. I'll touch it. See? That one. Yeah. Oh my god. Don't put that in. If I mix it, I'll be so sad. The yellow one. Oh, so bright and so clean. I don't want to put it on my nose. So this one is so bright, so I think that will be one of my favorite colors now. So it's like orange, yellow, and green. The pink is like so bright. It was color. So I think color not green. I mean yes, green, purple, of course, orange, of course, and yellow, of course, and pink, of course. And I'm playing with it now. Look, this one actually got a little bit mixed up with other colors. Oh. But I saw in the package that you have to mix it up, so... no, I actually don't. I don't want to mix that up. actually. Since it will be quite busy, I'll just pause it for a second. Guys, I have a bowl and these. I really tried one, but I got a different kind, and I think I got C this time because it has seashell. There's like a mermaid head in, like that. And this one is in a plastic bag. Oh, I need to take that out. Look. This is Crazy Go. I dropped it. It's like an ocean blue. So like, we'll mix with the blue first. And I have to mix with my hand first. I'll put these ones in. Where do you see it? Just like that. It's got me so big, so cool. So much of the yellow ones. There's still a little bit more. Go to 30. feels like the sand, and then there's sand in the ocean, and then there's like seashells in the ocean, and there's like little like cool like colors in there. Like fist with this.